Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. We've already learned how to add and subtract whole numbers, and we're pretty good at it. But can we do the same with fractions? Let's try and see what happens. But since fractions are made up of two numbers, a numerator and a denominator, we try it like whole numbers. Add the numerators and denominators separately. 3 plus 3 equals 6, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So we get 3/6. But wait, 3/6 is even smaller than 2/3. Clearly 3/6 is wrong, so this method doesn't work. Let's think of 1/3 as 1/3 and 2/3 as 2/3. If we add 1/3 and 2/3, we get 3/3, which is one whole. So what's the rule? Keep the denominator the same and add the numerators. This works because both fractions share the same unit fraction. In this case, 1/3 is unit fraction. 1/3 add 2/3 equal 3/3. It's just like saying 1 apple plus 2 apples equals 3 apples. 3 apples. Simple, right? Let's take a moment to understand unit fractions. These are fractions where the numerator is 1, like 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, and so on. They represent one part of a whole, and they're very useful when working with fraction addition and subtraction. In this example, both fractions share the same unit fraction, 1/4. To calculate, we keep the denominator the same and add the numerators. Since the denominator for the added fractions is 4, so maintain the denominator 4 as the same, and add the nominator numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. The result is 3/4. Let's look at a few examples. 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. 5/7 minus 2/7 equals 3/7. 2/9 plus 6/9 equals 8/9. 12/99 minus 2/99 equals 10/99. In each case, the denominator stays the same, and we simply add or subtract the numerators. Thanks for watching. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to add and subtract fractions with different denominators. See you next time.